हाय एवरीवन। तो एबे आम डिस्कस करने जाऊे आज कंडक्ट होता ओस्टेट बायोलोजी पोर्शन। तो यहाँ सेट ए रो क्वेश्चंस। तो आपण निज सेट सहित जबकि जमती आम जानते कि चारिटा सेट थिला, सेट ए, सेट बी, सेट सी एंड सेट डी। तो आपण निज सेट सहित क्वेश्चंस रो आंसर्स मैच करदेवे। सो बॉटनी, तो फर्स्ट पोर्शन थिला बॉटनी बायोलॉजी एंड देन जूलॉजी। तो बॉटनी रो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला द मोड ऑफ सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन स्पायरोगाइरा इज, that is option A is correct, that is isogamy, because Spirogyra is a filamentous green alga and the sexual reproduction in Spirogyra takes place by fusion of two non-flagellated gametes of similar size. So this kind of reproduction is called isogamous. So option A is correct. 62, the viruses were first discovered by, that is option C is correct, Dimitri, and he discovered first time tobacco mosaic virus. Then option C, the study of fungi is known as mycology. Then in 64, in fern the leaves are compound and sessile. Option B is correct. When the in 65 number, when the xylem is surrounded by phloem or the phloem is surrounded by xylem, such vascular bundles are known as concentric. Option D is correct. 66, the tissue whose cells are thin, more or less isodiametric and have intracellular spaces is known as parenchyma. Option B is correct, and parenchyma is the living tissue also. 67, lenticels found during secondary growth of dicot stem is aerating pores. एक्चुअली लेंटिसेल्स हवा कथा एरिएटिंग स्पोर से गैसियस एक्सचेंज रे हेल्प करे, बट एठी कौन है सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ डायटम स्टेम मेंशन करी, तो स्टिल भी ऑप्शन हो पारे, तो करेक्ट आंसर हो पारे। तो डिपेंड करूँ कि गवर्नमेंट कौन डिसाइड करिवो या फिर बोथ ए एंड बी को से करेक्ट आंसर बोली कि कहबो। 68, which of the following equation most adequately sums up photosynthetic reaction? Option C is correct, that is 12H2O plus 6O2 in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Which of the following would not be a limiting factor of photosynthesis? That is oxygen, O2. Option B is correct. PS2 system is concerned with photolysis of water. Option C is correct. 71, genetically dwarf plants can be made taller by, that is option A, gibberellin is the correct answer. In the 72, the double fertilization, the male gamete and the secondary nucleus gives rise to endosperm. Option B is right answer. 73, crossing over and the linkage are the exceptional case to Mendelian's law of independent assortment. Option D is correct. The parthenogenesis is defined as the development of egg into embryo without fertilization. Option A is correct. The late blight of potato disease is caused by, option D is correct, that is Phytophthora. 76, if two opposite allele came together, one of the two finds morphologically masking one another in the body organ, this fact is described as law of segregation. Morphologically masking means that is the law of segregation. 77, the study of development of an organism from the egg to the adult stage is known as embryology. 78, what is the role of abscisic acid in the transpiration? That is option B is correct, it causes closure of stomata. 79, which casual organism is responsible for the disease leaf frost and wilt? That is option B, Puccinia. In 80, which of the following asexual reproduction takes place by means of conidia born at the tip of hyphae? That is penicillium. Penicillium reproduce asexually by the help of conidiophore. So option D is the right answer. So एठी botany portion over ही जाउची। तबे the zoology, the first question 81, the who gave the five kingdom classification of the living organism? That is Robert Whittaker. से कौन कौन देइथिले? मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा, फंगी, प्लांटी, एनिमलिया, 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन। 82, the centromere of chromosome divide into two in anaphase. Option C is correct. The crossing over occurs in meiotic cells. Option C is correct. Which nitrogenous bases is absent in RNA? That is thiamine, because thiamine present in DNA and uracil present in RNA. Jodi question RNA देइछि then absent kon hobo? Thiamine. Then 85, the messenger RNA is formed as a working copy of the exact information contained in a segment of DNA strand, and this process is called transcription. Option B is correct. Which of the following is not a structure of kidney? That is urethra. Option B is correct. Because cortex, medulla pelvis सेटा होची structure of kidney रे आसुची. So option B is correct. V 87, when an animal moves towards the source of light, it is called phototaxis. Option C is correct. 88, soon after the activation of the egg, a zygote develops into a mature organism by undergoing cleavage. Option A is correct. The important enzyme present in the pancreatic juice are trypsin, amylopsin, and tiapsin. That is option A is correct. 90, the testosterone is secreted by Leydig cells. That is option D is correct, Leydig cells, which is present in the seminiferous tubule. That is 91, this is the excretory unit of the kidney in man. That is uriniferous tubule. Option B is correct, or uriniferous tubule is otherwise known as nephrons. So option B is the correct answer. 92, DAS helps the converting fibrinogen into fibrin. That is thrombin. Option B is correct. The modern synthetic theory of evolution is based on all of this. The above three answers are correct, like the genetic combination, recombination, and natural selection. Option B is genetic and chromosomal mutation and reproductive isolation. So all of these are right. 94. The nerves which carries impulse from receptor organs such as skin, eye, nose, muscles to the brain and the spinal cord are, option A is correct, that is somatic sensory. 95. The homologous organ are that are similar in origin but dissimilar in function. For example, flipper of whale, arm in man, these all are the homologous organ. The 96, in a tiger reserve, the tiger is placed in the apex of the food chain. That is option B is correct. During which process the polar bodies are formed. That is oogenesis. Option C is correct. 98, the lymph differ from the blood in having, that is option D is correct, no RBC and more WBC. 99, what is the end product of glycolysis? That is pyruvic acid. Option A is correct. The total amount of air that moves in and out of lungs with each inspiration and expiration is called C, tidal volume. Option C is correct. So एतिकी आमर बायोलॉजी पोर्शन ओवर हो जाउछि. तो आपण निज सेट सहित चेक करदेवे कि केते कौन ठीक करचंती कौन भूल करचंती. ओके, थैंक यू.